interests you in working in the heat treating industries?
Really just enjoyed, every day is not the same, every day is different. You get to see a whole bunch of different things come through the shop and different.
What do you enjoy about your job?
Working with people and working with good people. It doesn't matter whether the folks that are inside of our walls or the customers that we're lucky enough to have or guys like you that are interested in coming in to visit us. We're part of the community, and I think that's the most important thing that I've enjoyed out of the 40 years.
We are from Saegertown Junior-Senior High School in Saegertown, Pennsylvania. Today, we traveled to Peters Heat Treat in Meadville, Pennsylvania for the What's So Cool About Manufacturing contest. Who and why would use heat-treated parts?
Heat-treated parts are in everything you touch every day, so anything with a metal part in it, a lot of those have been heat-treated. In addition, things that you touch that aren't metal may have also used a heat-treated mold in order to be fabricated.
On there. Now the load's in there, and what's going to happen is the tractor's going to pull out, and then the door is going to close. That alarm that you hear is telling you that the door is moving, so that's for operator safety.
What do people do at Peters Heat Treating?
They do everything from metallurgical analysis to selecting processes for specific materials, helping customers figure out how much finished stock to leave. They're managing truck routes. They're managing, more than logistics. They're helping customers actually manage how they get work to flow through their own companies.